Whether you are a mini importer or a large-scale importer, import from China to whatever country of your choice, consider to watch this video from the beginning to the end because I'm going to show you tracking and cost estimate whether you are shipping by air or you are shipping by sea. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure a link on 1688 Tauba on Pinduoduo or Fish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see tracking of your goods between your shipping company and the cost estimate of your item even before your item arrive to your destination. So this particular item I'm going to use as an example right here is one of my item that is on transit from China. All right, so right here I will head over to my profile right here. I'm going to use Pinduoduo shopping app as a case study, so I will explain it step by step so you guys can get it properly. So if your item is on transit in China, the item is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. All right, so these are the items I just purchased, and these items here are already on transit, which means that they are going to my shipping warehouse address in China. Now, for you to track this item between your shipping warehouse address in China, you have to communicate the tracking number with your shipping agent customer support, whether you are talking to them on WhatsApp or on Facebook or whichever platform you use to communicate. So what you need to do is to get the tracking number. So for you to get the tracking number of an item, so let's check it out. All right, so this one right here, I'm going to use these items as an example. So right here, this item has been successful delivered to my shipping warehouse. Now, the tracking number here is this number right here, which is 907. Now, but before your item delivers successful to your shipping company, you need to copy this tracking number and send it to your shipping company to be aware that you are sending an item to their warehouse in China. So for you to copy the shipping tracking number, you have to click on here. And then once you click on that, then the tracking number is going to copy. So take a look at this tracking number right here. I have already copied it and sent it to my shipping customer support on WhatsApp. So let's check it out on WhatsApp and see how you can communicate with your shipping company and your tracking number and the confirmation between the shipping company and the supplier in China when your item is on transit. So let's check it out. WhatsApp right here, and this is where I communicate with my shipping company. Now, when you try to purchase an item, you have to contact the shipping company. I have made a lot of videos about all this in the past, so let's just talk about how you track and how you submit your tracking number to the shipping company on WhatsApp, and how you track your item, how you confirm with them. Right here with me is my phone number and my name right here, which has been registered with the shipping company. This is also very much important, and this number and your name, it give the shipping company a kind of confidence that you are the owner of the item. The second thing that gives the shipping company a kind of confidence that you are the owner of the item is your tracking number. Tracking number is a unique number that signifies that this item, it belongs to someone. And if you submit the tracking number to the shipping company, they will have to consider this particular name, which is my name and phone number. They will have to consider that. Then now you now submit your tracking number. So this is the process right here. This is the time when I'm submitting all the tracking number to the shipping company, and I told them that I will send more. So these are all the tracking number, and this is my communication with my shipping company right here. So after all the tracking number has been submitted, now you will now go back to your Pinduoduo shopping app or 1688 Alibaba or AliExpress, anywhere you purchase. You have to go back to your dashboard, and when you get back to your dashboard, that is where you will now be tracking the item to be confirmed that the item has been delivered. So once the item has been delivered, let me show you a case study of Pinduoduo right here. So when the item is delivered, it's going to be something like this. So this simply means that this item has been delivered. Then let's check out the tracking number with the shipping company on my WhatsApp. So let's head over back to my WhatsApp right here. So here's the tracking number. So right here, so this is the This is the tracking number. So I have to send it back to them. Then please confirm the following tracking number with me. So these are the way to communicate with the shipping company. So starting from the point right here, please confirm this. Please, have you received this tracking number? So right here, these are the first 3 tracking number that was delivered. In a case of situation whereby you procure the item from different suppliers, so you need to know that the item is not going to get to the shipping company warehouse address at the same time. So the item is going to come in a bit and batch by batch. So the first item that was received by this shipping company are these first 3 tracking number. So when they are sent it to them, and then this was the response from the shipping company, this we received. So this simply means that this 3 tracking number has been successfully delivered to my shipping warehouse address in China, and it has been successfully received by my shipping company. And here is the proof from the shipping company that they have successfully received this item. So let me show you. So you can see the date they received this item. This is the date and the year, and this is my phone number right here, and my name and the tracking number. So these have been cropped. That is why you cannot see everything. So let's go back. And then the following day, I communicate with them because I noticed some of the item has been successfully delivered with the shipping company. So you still need to go back to the shipping company. There must be an effective flow of communication between you and the shipping company. So have to contact them that, please, have you kindly confirm this following tracking number for me, which are these 3 tracking number. And okay, wait a moment, or receive. I say thanks, more are coming. All right, say okay. Then the following day, some minutes later, I noticed that some of the item has been also received and delivered to this shipping company. Then I have to contact them again that, please confirm the following tracking number for me, which is this one right here and this one right here. So these 2 tracking number here, they say, okay, wait a moment. Also, after confirming that they have received this everything, now they now show me a proof that these are all the items that was received on my behalf. Now let's check it out. So you can see from the screenshot right here, so my name is indicated and my phone number are all indicated all through that, and the time, the date they received the item, and these are the item tracking number right here. So you can see them column by column, and this is simply means that I have about different 8 tracking number to this shipping company, which means that all items are purchasing from different supplier. That is about different 8 supplier, and all will be packed together by this shipping company. Then it said, this is all we received. So, and this is my response to them that correct, you can now ship and let me know the total kg. So having know the total kg right here, which has to do with 6.1 kg, that's by the shipping company. And then the next thing now is that you have to tell them to ship the item, which was what I told them right here, that you can now ship to Nigeria. So after asking them to ship to Nigeria, then I asked further, can I have the arrival date? So it was told that it's going to take them like 1 week before this item arrived to Nigeria, which is stated right here. Now, for you to know the estimate cost of this particular item, okay, what you need to do is to make sure you multiply the cost per kg by the total kg right here. And for you to know the cost per kg, you need to ask the shipping company the cost per kg before you can eventually hire them for your shipment. So let's check the beginning of my chat with the shipping company, and I will show you how much I was charged per kg. Then after we know the amount we charge per kg, then we now multiply the amount that was charged per kg with the total kg. So let's check it out. So from the beginning right here, I was told that they are going to charge me 6.7 USD per kg. So this 6.7 USD is what we are going to use to multiply by the total kg. So let's do the simple calculation. So on my calculator right here, it's going to be 6.7 multiplied by 6.1. So we are paying the sum of 40.87 USD to clear these items, okay? Another cost estimate is whereby when this item gets to Nigeria or to whatever country of your choice, the next estimate is going to be, if you are paying in Naira, they will give you the exchange rate. If you are paying in whatever currency of your country, they will give you the exchange rate. So once you have been given an exchange rate, then you will now multiply the exchange rate by the estimated bill right here. So that will give you the cost of landing cost. So in my next video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to do this cost of landing and how you know the actual amount you are paying to clear this item, which has to do with 6.1 kg. So this is what I have for you as far as tracking and cost estimate of your item shipping from China to whatever country of your choice is concerned using Pinduoduo shopping app. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also if you have not yet subscribed to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this, kindly click on the subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so each time I post content about importation business tutorial like this, you'll be notified. And lastly but not least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Tauba or Pinduoduo or Idofish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.